Mukul Sinha, Shakti Singh Goyal and Dr. Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress are on one side. On the other side of the debate, the BJP's Meenakshi Lekhi is joined by Jai Narayan Vyas. My first question is to Dr. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, Congress leader. Now, Ms. Joshi, is it important if tomorrow or day after the CBI says that it is whether it's a fake encounter or not a fake encounter, is that really of any consequence? Suppose the CBI says it was a fake encounter. Does that mean you're going to blame Narendra Modi for the fake encounter?
Well, let us first understand that this is related to justice to a 19-year-old girl.
Understand.
Whether she was an LTE operator or was she a terrorist who had gone there to kill Modi, or was she just a simple girl who was killed in a fake encounter? This is what the world wants to know. This is one of the most followed cases in the world, I feel. And every Indian wants to know this because you see, the way they were killed, it clearly indicates that it was a fake encounter. The Judicial Magistrate's report, 324 pages report, then the report of the SIT, and then the High Court not taking cognizance of all the moves that the state government is making in order to save its officials, clearly indicate that there's a big question mark on the fact that this girl and all the other evidences that are coming in. The report from the Maharashtra government that they had not advised or they had not sent any information to Gujarat, that she had terrorist links, and then to say that agencies are being misused by the opposition, by the BJP. I think this is a very, very bad argument. It cannot hold water at all. And if it's a fake encounter, which apparently it looks to be, because the way there are no evidences, there were no eyewitnesses, no charge sheets were filed when this encounter took place, and from Sohrabuddin to Ishrat Jahan, there were so many encounters, doubtful encounters in Ahmedabad, in Gujarat, and they were trying to build a kind of a story or kind of a...
No, they say it's Modi phobia, Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi. The BJP says the sole investigation into Ishrat Jahan is driven by Modi phobia. My question to Meenakshi Lekhi is, how far will you take the Modi phobia argument? If the CBI files a charge sheet and if the CBI says the encounter is fake, or if the CBI says that there is not enough proof to show that Ishrat Jahan was a Lashkar-e-Toiba Fidain, or that she was out there to try and assassinate Narendra Modi, does it not discredit the Gujarat government? Does it not discredit the BJP? That the fake encounter happened on the watch of the BJP government will have serious implications. So this Modi phobia argument of yours, Meenakshi Lekhi, will not really hold if it is proven to be a fake encounter.
A couple of facts I want to bring in. The maximum number of encounters in this country have happened in the states run by Congress party. There is one encounter of Yunus in Maharashtra in which the government
So you're justifying, are you just justifying a fake encounter?
Or I'm not justifying, I'm bringing certain facts to the notice of the public, because end of the day there is a war of perception which is going on.
But why don't you keep the focus on Ishrat Jahan?
Which Congress party wants to indulge in. It is in this context, Ishrat Jahan, a single lady with 3 men in no relationship, one coming from Kerala, 2 coming from Jammu and Kashmir.
What are you saying?
2 happen to be Pakistanis.
A single lady with 3 men? Justify that comment.
A very natural phenomena. I am justifying a comment that here is a girl who is traveling from Maharashtra.
Yes.
The gentleman with her is traveling from Kerala.
Yes.
There are 2 gentlemen who are coming from Jammu and Kashmir and were supposed to be Pakistanis. There is an affidavit of the Ministry of Home Affairs in this case, where she has been indicted to be an LET operative. There is Jamaat-ud Dawa website which claimed her to be an LET operative. We have also come to know about the statement of David Headley, which subsequently NIA declined.
You made up your mind.
And also the fact that there was a newspaper in Pakistan also published her to be an LET operative. Now, when Ms. Bahuguna states that every Indian is following this case, I would say every Pakistani is following this case. And every such government is following this case.
Lekhi.
How Indian security can be messed up is the biggest challenge before this government.
Don't
How
make it a
this
question of
government can
internal security.
politicize even terror
the question,
cases.
No. My question was very simply this, Ms. Lekhi, which you've
The
not answered.
question is this.
No, my question was simply this.
question is very
my question
simple.
was this. No, ma'am, you have to allow me to phrase my question. I have the democratic liberty under the Indian democracy, of which I am a very active and vocal citizen, to choose the question that I wish to ask. My question is this, Ms. Lekhi, that if it is said, and let's get all views today, if the CBI, while filing a charge sheet, says the encounter is fake, simple, encounter is fake, right? Modi is the Home Minister. Amit Shah is the Minister of State. So the officers who carried out the encounter referred to the Home Ministry. Why is it unusual to check whether or not these officers were in direct knowledge of their political bosses? It's a natural course of investigation. I don't know why you're getting so upset about it.
No, it's
so I want
not.
Mukul Sinha to come in on it.
I
want Mukul. No, the question is tomorrow. See, please, if it is said it's a fake encounter, you are undermining it. You are saying today that whether or not they say it's a fake encounter makes no impact, right? That's what you're saying, Meenakshi Lekhi. Let's get the other view. Is that of some consequence or not? Mukul Sinha.
Yeah, I think let's understand it in a little bit of time sequence. This is not the first encounter that is going to be declared as fake. Already 4 encounters have been declared as fake. Sohrabuddin, Kausar B, Tulsi Prajapati and Sadiq Jamal. So I think it is just a matter of a day's time to get the 5th one, and that would be the Israt Jahan and the rest. In fact, there is already a report of SIT stating that it is a fake encounter. The issue is that why so many fake encounter is taking place in Gujarat, and why one single team of the Gujarat police is participating in these fake encounters. And I think the police have not really, this team has not really benefited from these encounters, but their political masters have benefited out of these encounters. So I think the real issue would be when we link up all the 5 encounters, who really benefited and why the police was used for such a dastardly activity. I think that is what should be the question, and tomorrow we are eagerly waiting to what extent the evidence comes against the political masters.
Well, no, but Mr. Mukul Sinha, you have the BJP which clearly is saying, I'm just getting all views tonight, you have the BJP which says it doesn't matter whether or not the CBI says it's a fake encounter. The BJP has made up its mind on its line of argument tomorrow. It's a pre-decided line on its line of argument tomorrow.
I mean all of it.
Yes. No, let's get it. My question.
All offenders say that they are not guilty. So therefore, there's nothing unusual about the BJP's defense.
Precisely. Mr. Sinha represents a terrorist, and all terrorists say they are not terrorists. I would want to apply this to him. And when it comes to CBI, I also want to rebut. In 2006 Malegaon blast, ATF files a charge sheet, the matter goes to court. In between, they bring in CBI just to show these are not the
Madam
people.
Lekhi's
CBI
memory
files
is
a
very
similar
short.
charge sheet as to the ATS. And then they bring in NIA to have
Miss
a
Lekhi,
charge
who
sheet
gives-
of your
who
choice.
gives the government
and
the
are those
authority
CBI
to carry
officers
out a
going to be
fake
sentenced to
encounter?
jail? And is the CM,
It is irrelevant
is the
who
CM
belongs
and the
there.
Home Minister
I
of
think instead of
Maharashtra going to be
talking
sent
out
to
of
jail?
the
And
context,
what are you? And
I think
880
Madam Lekhi must come
encounters
into the
happened
context.
during
Let
that
us talk in
period
terms of the
across
context.
country.
No, I'm not talking
And not
across the
one
country.
encounter
I
was
believe,
fake. All
I
encounters
believe,
in
Miss
Gujarat
Lekhi.
happened to be
I
fake.
believe, Miss Lekhi, that is in the interest
Every
of our
effort is
pointed
made by
discussion.
BJP to
One minute,
discuss things
one
which is
minute.
outside the issue.
1 minute.
No effort.
1 minute.
Fake encounter is the issue.
1 minute. The
discussion.
question tonight is fake encounter.
Is the
1
issue
second.
discussion.
1 second. One sec. Shakti Singh
You're
Goyal
a
is coming
lawyer,
in.
you know the law.
My
No,
question
can I
is...
complete
Ms. Joshi,
my
Ms.
sentence?
Joshi, Ms.
Because I
Sena,
think
one minute.
this lady doesn't
Khan.
this lady doesn't allow anybody to complete
No,
a
no, she
sentence.
will-
Oh, no, I want to complete a sentence.
Oh,
that
Mr.
she
Sinha,
was talking about a
you are
terrorist, saying she's
representing
not a terrorist.
I don't expect that from you. You are representing a
You're
terrorist.
continuing with your bad habits. Why don't you develop some good habits to listen to others?
And what are you
The good
representing?
habit is,
What are you
the good
representing,
habit
madam?
is you finished with your point,
You have to listen
and
to the
I was
other's
within
view.
my right to
Every
rebut
time you
that
raise
No,
point.
I
your
did
voice.
not. I wanted to tell you
Please
something.
don't. Please don't raise your
Okay,
voice.
okay, one sec.
No, you
Mr.
can
Sinha,
have a
complete.
conversation.
Two of our panelists haven't come in yet. Ms. Sinha, one
Good
second. Mr.
habits
Sinha,
also.
complete.
No, you please, you rebut when your turn comes.
Yes, one second.
Yes, the issue is
there's a
that
panel
the
which
first
is in
encounter,
discussion. You have
the
to allow
first
everybody to
encounter
put in
was
their views.
declared fake. The first encounter was declared fake not by CBI, but it was declared fake by the Gujarat government by filing an affidavit in the Supreme Court. So therefore, let Madam understand that it is her government which she is defending that had declared the first encounter of Sohrabuddin and Kausar be fake. And that continues. Tomorrow we'll see another fake encounter, and all for a single purpose. They want to prove what they said in their own FIR, and the FIR used to say that all the terrorists have come to kill Modi, and that's what they wanted to prove. But unfortunately, all of them have turned out to be
One sec.
fake.
So my question is, I'm going to Jainarayan Vyas and Shakti Singh Goyal. Mr. Jainarayan Vyas first, Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal just come in. I just want to get a first round, please. You see, this is going to be a politically sensitive subject. Let everybody have their turn. I'm coming to you right after that. My question is here tonight that Jainarayan Vyas, tell me, if you say it doesn't matter whether or not the encounter was fake, has no implication. It doesn't matter or not whether the CBI says she was a terrorist or not. Suppose I were to tell you, suppose the CBI tomorrow is to say she was not a terrorist, right? The encounter was fake, and there is nothing to prove that she was a Lashkar Fidain out to kill Narendra Modi, right? If the CBI says that, you don't feel you have anything to answer for? You feel nobody has anything to answer for? You actually think the people of the country will let you off the hook on that one?
Let me, not necessarily, Arnab, you can't write the judgment before the case is over. What you are trying to do is presume so many things. This will happen, this will happen, this will lead to this will lead to this,
Not
and
at all.
therefore it is going to be like this. I
Not at
think
all.
I have not learned to be a crystal gazer.
Fine.
Number one, let us understand that we are debating something based upon the information which is not in the public domain. Today we are hazarding all kind of guess. And what Mr. Mukul Sinha is forgetting, he said every guilty thinks that he is innocent. I think I should remind him of the legal maxim that a person is innocent unless he is proven otherwise. That is the legal maxim. So what are we talking? I mean, there are processes, SAT norms in this country. The law takes its own course. There are courts who will adjudicate over the matter. They will pierce through the kind of things which are presented before them as evidence, and then ultimately let the court judgment come.